Just a little further up the road and we'll be there.
Help! Somebody please help me! Get off of him!
You have to send help right now. It's a massive snake. It's crushing my horse. We're on the village road near the old mill. Please hurry.
Mobilise the ground teams now. Get up now, we have a situation in the main ops room. Control just declared a major incident, Sector 4. We need to move now.
Control to incident response, prioritize the eastern sector. We have confirmed visual on the target. Acknowledge and proceed.
Alpha team, converge at grid reference 4 privatization.
We need to prioritize the horse's airway. Get the heavy gear ready.
I'm on it. Radio silence until we're on site.
We have a confirmed level 3 incident, downtown Sector 4. Gear up now, we're mobilizing immediately.
Control, Rescue 47, status is Code 3, proceeding to the scene.
From behind the rescuers, twin streams of cold foam are Arkman burst into.
Everyone together now, pull! Get it clear.
It's okay, you're safe now.
Vitals look good. Keep them hydrated. You're gonna be okay, boy. Easy now.
He's taking the water well.
Straps tight. Audio features the sound of two men working quickly and efficiently to secure a large snake in a net.
Thank you all so much. I don't know what I would have done without you. He's my whole life.
This is the best day ever. Smile for the camera, guys. Got it. He's magnificent.